quiz. Okay, quiz 1, and your continuous assessment patterns are changed this time. Okay, for not only for you, for everyone it is changed. Again, they went back to the normal form like an offline. Offline, what is the pattern you followed, students? In offline in college, when you are working in college, what is the pattern we have followed for all the subjects, 3 credit course?
3 quizzes and 2 periodicals.
Very good. 3 quizzes and 2 periodicals and 1 end semester exam. The same thing. Now they are going back to the same follow. Like last semester, how we had for 70-30, that is not there. Okay. Even in an online, they are following the same offline pattern. I am explaining about the NLP. NLP is a 3 credit course, 300. LTP is 30 lecture 3 hours, tutorial 0, practical 0, 300. So 3 hours is a lecture hour. It's a 3 credit course. And it is we are following a normal 50-50 pattern. So 50 is your internals and continuous assessment, and 50 is your end semester exam. Okay, so not 70-30 like last semester. Now they are brought back to the original for all the subjects. If it is a 3 credit course and if it is LTP is lecture hour is 3, and so you have to follow 50-50 pattern. If it is a lab based courses, they may have different pattern. Like CTPS and all, you have a lab based course. Okay, like software engineering, I think it may be a lab based course like that. If it is a lab based course, you will have something. This is not a lab based course, so it is a 3 credit. The LTP is 300. So we have to follow 50-50. 50 is your continuous assessment and 50 is your end semester. So 50 continuous assessment, what we have planned, there is no project now because last semester since 70-30 we had made a project. So 50-50 normal 3 quizzes and 2 periodical tests. You will be having periodical test 1 followed by Viva, periodical test 2 followed by Viva. Each periodical test will have a Viva, and end semester followed by Viva. And end semester you will be writing for 50 marks and it is for 1.5 hours. Okay, periodical test for 1 hour, maximum marks, I don't know, it may be 25 marks for 1 hour, and you will be having a Viva also. Any doubt here? So project is not there. If the 70, the remaining 20, we can make it as project. So now they have moved to 50-50. So if you want to do a project, you can do a project, students. That can be taken as separately, and you, for your interest, if you want to do, you can do it. Okay, so 3 quizzes we will be having. So first quiz we are planning before quiz 1 T1. So your T1 tentatively they told us anything they have told about T1 dates. T1 dates anything?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am. No,
T1 tentatively they told, tentative, don't spread it, ma'am told like that. Tentatively they told like February 15th it may start. Okay, it will be coming from exam cell through faculty advisor. Don't worry, well in advance they will announce everything. They have given to us to make sure that we have to conduct the before the assessment, some assessments. That is quiz 1. So previously in college also before T1 we will be conducting quiz 1, right? Like that we have to conduct quiz 1 now. So quiz 1 portions are till edit distance measure. From beginning first introduction till edit distance measure is your quiz 1 portions, and the quiz 1 dates will be announced by next week. Most probably next week, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, any one of the days you will be having quiz 1. I am waiting because AUMS should be ready. AUMS still it is not ready. Once AUMS is ready, we can conduct the quiz. So I am announcing now itself well in advance. Please be prepared till today's class. Whatever we have conducted from the beginning till edit distance is the portions for your quiz 1, and all the content related to your quiz 1 is already uploaded in Teams. Okay, so anytime I will be telling 1 day or 2 days in advance. If it is we are conducting on Monday, Wednesday, I will post the message in the group that Monday itself. Okay, so be prepared next week anytime, either Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, you may have a quiz. Portions are there. Content is already uploaded, and Porter-Stemmer algorithm is also there, but don't read all the rules. The basic things like what is the M value, how to calculate M value, M is equal to 0, that is a measure, CV values. Okay, given a word, what is M value? We have seen, right? And if it is star 0 means what? Star D means what? Any character ends with D. Like that, some rules, the initial part alone. But the down part, how to, what are all the different types of rules, that is not required. That we cannot by heart. The beginning stage, what I have taught you, only that is there in the Porter-Stemmer algorithm. That is also included. Okay, so that material also I have uploaded. Any doubts you can ask me. So this is regarding your quiz 1. T1 portions I will announce you later. Okay, before starting of your exams, what we are completing, that will be your T1 portions. And for Viva T1, there is a Viva. The portions will be till the T1 portions what we have conducted for theory will be there for Viva immediately after your exams. The dates will be announced by exam cell and faculty advisor will be announcing bill in advance. As of now, tentatively they have asked the faculties like February 15th, but it is fixed or not, we don't know. Okay, everything will come through faculty advisor. So this is a pattern I am telling for my subject. Okay, any doubt or any clarifications? Please tell me. I can move to the subject now. So I want to inform all this. And parallel the same elective what is happening there also the same pattern, 3 quizzes, because both are same. So 3 quizzes and they are also having two this T1, T2 and in semester exam. And in semester this time you will be writing full portions for 1.5 hours for 50 marks for my subject. Okay. Can I move to the subject part?
So T1, T2 will be a subjective or objective?
That depends. That depends upon the faculty and depends upon the subject that they are not told about. We have asked everything in the yesterday's meeting. They will tell us. Okay. Mostly it will be an subjective, descriptive only, or subjective with descriptive. Subjective also they have to give an explanation like that if they will tell. Okay. The pattern of T1 will be mostly descriptive only. And sometimes it may be an objective questions. Objective questions also you have to explain, give the justification for each question you have to write and you have to upload. Okay. Simply you cannot click that answer, this answer. Why you have clicked? You have to justify that answer. Or you have to give a justification like that. Something has to be uploaded there, even for 1 mark answer, if it's an objective. Okay, fine. Whatever it may be subjective or objective, portions will be there and pattern we told T1, T2 will be there. Like last time there is no only common midsem, T1 with Viva, T2 with Viva, NSEM with Viva, and the pattern is 50-50, 50 continuous assessment for 20, T1 for 15, T2 for 15. Same pattern. Continuous assessment is for 20 marks. In that we will be conducting 2 quizzes or with 1 assignment or 3 quizzes or 1 quiz with 2 assignments. That depends upon the faculty. Okay, as of now I plan for 3 quizzes. I'll take it to the class committee meeting and based on what they have given as suggestions I will do it. Okay, 3 quizzes or 2 quizzes with 1 assignment or 2 quizzes with 1 tutorial, like that. Okay, but continuous assessment is for 20 marks and 3 components we can have it. And 30 marks, the 15 marks for T1 and 15 marks for T2. Total internals is 50. Okay. Is that fine, students? Can I move? Already 15 minutes over.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. Those who are completed that enum and medium problem, I have given one problem now, right? Mother and rather, something I have given, right? MOTHER and rather. Input string is mother, MOTHER, and the output string what I want to actual word is rather, RATHER. Okay, please do that and tell me how many edit operations you are getting and what is edit distance. For enum and medium, what is the edit distance you are getting? What is the edit distance you are getting for enum and medium, students?
4.
5. Anybody has got 5? I don't know the answer. How many of you have completed? Nobody has completed. Priya, what is the answer you are getting?
6, ma'am. 2 substitutions at D and I, and then M and D will be deleted. So 6 it will be.
Yes, ma'am. I also got 6. 2 deletion and 2 substitution.
Priya, you are also getting 2 deletion and 2 substitution. She is telling 1 deletion. 2 deletions and 2 substitutions.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, who got 5? You please check whether you got 2 deletions and 2 substitutions. Okay, otherwise I'll show your answers later. Okay, then those who are completed you can do with mother and the other. Those who want me to explain, please listen to me, and those who know the answer, those who know, you can start working with enum and medium. Okay, today is the last class for completing this edit distance. From tomorrow I will be starting with the next topic. I cannot stretch the next class also. Okay. Okay, see, listen students. So can you all able to make out the table at least? Abhishek, table is fine. Whether you are there when I am explaining the table?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
How many of you wants me to explain from table or only backtracking is required? Please tell me.
Can you explain from the table, ma'am?
Can you explain from the table? Okay. So first thing, given a two strings, first string is an intention and second string is an execution. So from intention, one string I have taken in this axis, see here, which is my input string. Input string is, 1 minute, input string is an intention, but output I want it as execution. So input string, whatever input string is given, that you can take it in y-axis, and the output string you can take it in an x-axis. And the basic skeleton, you have to make a matrix form table structure. You write execution, you put hash with intention, hash with execution, because intention I is the first character, n is the second character, t is the third character. Hash becomes 0. So hash, here also hash becomes 0. E is the first character in execution. So I am starting with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So this is a basic structure you have to first construct. Okay. In input string in the y-axis, output string in the x-axis, and each character you have to give this space is empty. This starts with hash, hash becomes 0. The first character of the input string is 1, 2, 3. You have to write the number like this, and here also you have to number like this. Then you have to fill in each and every row in the table by using a dynamic programming approach. Okay. So what does the rule says? For each d of ij, you have to find out I minus 1 j plus 1. Distance of I minus 1 comma j plus 1 you have to add I comma j minus 1 plus 1, or I minus 1 j minus 1. This is for left side, this is for down, and this is for diagonal. So for diagonal, what you have to do, you have to check I minus 1 j minus 1 plus 2 if both the characters are same, or plus 0 if both the characters are, sorry, if not same it is 2, if it is same it is 0. This already I have explained so many times, please look into that. I'll tell you how to do this. So if you take this first box, starts from the lowest level, this is 1 comma 1, this is 1, this is 1. Okay, so what you have to do is this left side, each box left side plus 1, down plus 1, then you take the diagonal plus 2 or plus 0 based on the characters. Okay, so what is the left side? Can you tell me? For this box I want to fill means 3 values I have to take. Among these 3 values, what is the minimum value I have to take? What is the left side value I have? What is the left side for this box I have? Please tell me. What is the left side of this box I have? I want to fill this box first. E and I am taking.
1.
E 1, left side 1. So I have to add plus 1. So it becomes 2. Down
1. 1 plus 1, 2.
1. So 1 plus 1, 2. Diagonal, what value I am having actually? You please tell me.
0.
0. So I have to add plus 2 or 0. Plus 2 means when I have to add plus 2? If the characters are not same. Or if I have to add 0 if x of I and y of j character is same. So please check whether the characters are same, I and e are same, I and j were characters. X of I, x of 1 and y of 1 is same?
No, ma'am.
No. So what I have to add here?
2.
2. So 0 plus 2. So already I have what? 1 plus 1, 2. Here down 1 plus 1, 2. 0 plus 1, 2. Among these 3 values, 2, 2, 2 I have. Among these 3, what is the minimum value?
2.
2. So I have to fill 2 here. Understood? Similarly, you take this. Take n, and now I am comparing n and e. I will explain only one more box, n and e. So when I take n and e, take this box. Okay. So left side, down and diagonal. So left side 2 plus 1, 3. Down, what is the value already I had? Now, what's the value I have filled here?
2.
2.
2,
So 2
ma'am.
plus 1, 2. 2 plus 1, 3. Diagonal is 1. Whether I have to add 2 or 0 here. Can you tell me? I am comparing n and e. I have to add 0 or 2?
Add 2, ma'am.
2. So 2 plus 1, 3. So left side 2 plus 1, 3. Diagonal 1 plus 2, 3. Down 2 plus 1, 3. So what is the minimum value among these 3? 3, 3, 3.
3.
What is the value? 3. So like that you have to fill the table. So after filling the table, this is how we have to fill the table. So this is the final table I will be getting. See, I have got here 2, here I got 3. So like this I have filled the final table. After filling the final table, we have to backtrack it. For backtracking, start from the last column, d of n comma n. That is, what's the value last I got it here? Please tell me, students. N and n, last value. What is the value?
8.
8. So for backtracking it, this 8, how I got it? Please check. Can you tell me this 8, how I got it? Left side plus 1, down plus 1, diagonal plus 0 or plus 2, right? Plus
Diagonal
0 or
plus
plus
0.
2. Plus 0 or
Diagonal
plus
plus
2. 2
0.
option. That's right. Diagonal will be 2 option plus 0 or plus 2, right? So you please check whether I got this 8, how I got it. Either from left side or down or from diagonal. Can you tell me?
Diagonal plus 0, ma'am.
Diagonal plus 0 only I got this because 9 plus 1 10, 9 plus 1 10, 8 plus 0 or 2. But I have to take 8 plus 0 because I am comparing the values n and n. Same value means 0. So 8 plus 0 is 8. So among this 10, 10, 10 and 8 minimum is 8. So from this 8, n and n 8 I got it from this 8. So put an arrow mark down here. So this 8 I got it from this 8. Okay, now you take 0 and 0, 8. That is O and O8. O and O8 from which one I got it? Can you tell me? Either left side or down or from diagonal? Diagonal.
Diagonal.
So again
Diagonal
this
plus 0.
8. So this 8 I got from this 8. So put the arrow mark here. So you put a round of this 8 and put an arrow mark. This 8 I got from this 8. This 0 and 0, 8 put a round and you tell me this 8 I got it from this 8. I and I. Now you take I and I 8. Can you tell me this 8 how I reached? Left side 9 plus 1, down 9 plus 1, diagonal 8 plus 0 or 2. Which one I have to take? 8 plus 0 or 8 plus 2?
8 plus 0.
8 plus 0. So this 8, I and I 8, I got it from which one?
Diagonal.
Diagonal. So this you put a round and put an arrow to the diagonal, this 8, T and T8. Now come to T and T8. Round this T and T8 and this 8, how I got it? Either left or down or diagonal.
Diagonal 8.
Why? Can you explain?
8 plus 0.
8 plus 0, 9 plus 1, 9 plus 1. So 10, 10, 8. So minimum is 8. So I am taking this. So now you come here, U and N. U and N 8, circle it and tell me whether I got it from diagonal, left or right. Why no sound? This 8 and 8, how I got it? Can you tell me? N and U I am comparing. This 8, how I got it? Left side is what? 7 plus?
7 plus 1.
7 plus 1,
plus
ma'am.
7 plus 1 down.
7 plus
7 plus 1.
Diagonal.
6 plus 2.
6 plus 2.
So all three values are 8 means which one I have to take first? Which option we have to take? Diagonal or left or right? If all three values are same, you have to consider the diagonal. So this 8 I got it from this 6. Okay. If all three values are same, you have to choose the diagonal. Okay. So now you take this 6. 6 how I got it? Can you tell me? So from this 8
Left,
put an arrow
left
mark
plus
to
1.
6. Wait. This 6, 5 plus 1, 7 plus 1,
6 plus 0.
So 6 plus 0, what?
5 plus 1.
Tell me the 6 how I got it. 5 plus 1, 7 plus 1, 6 plus
6 plus 0.
6 plus
6 plus 2.
6 plus 2. How you got 6 plus 0? Who is telling 6 plus 0? What is the character I am comparing in the 6? Can you tell me the character, students?
E and C.
Which character? E and C. Whether they are both are same?
No.
Different characters means what I have to add to diagonal?
Plus 2.
Plus 2. So can you tell me what are the three values I am getting, please? 5 plus 1?
6, 8, 8.
6, 8, 8. So what is the minimum value? So from which I got it?
From 5. 5 plus 1.
From 5. Okay, 5 plus 1. So from the 6 you round it and put an arrow mark to 5 now. So now you tell me this 5 how you got it. Either left diagonal down, which one? 4 plus 1, 5, left side, diagonal,
5 plus 0.
5 plus 0, down, 6 plus 1. So 5, 5, 7. So minimum value is 5. 5 comes from left and diagonal. So first option you have to give to diagonal. So this 5 comes from this 5. If two values are same and if there is a diagonal, you first consider diagonal value. Okay. So this 5. So now this 5, you have achieved from which one? Can you tell me? Left down.
Left and down, ma'am.
Left is 5, down is 5 and the diagonal is?
Diagonal is also
Diagonal
5.
is 3 plus 2, 5. So which one we have to consider? So this 5 I got it from this 3. So now you put an arrow mark to this 3 and round this 3. This 3, how I got it? From this 1. So from 1 you go to 0. So this is how we have to backtrack it. So that backtracking I'll show here. So see here, this 8 I got it from this 8, this 8 I got it from this 8, that's why arrow mark. And this 8 I got it from this 8, this 8 I got it from this 8, this 8 I got it from the 6, 6 to 5, 5 to 5, 5 to 3, 3 to 1, finally you reach the 0. So after backtracking, have you all understood how to backtrack it? Yes or no? Please tell me and I will move to the next one. Others
Yes,
are simply
ma'am.
waiting.
Yes.
This is third class I am explaining this. Last class also I have explained. So now after backtracking, you have to find out how many substitution, insertion, deletion you have done to move from intention to execution. So first you write first character of I. Okay, see here. For I in that y-axis, what is there in x-axis corresponding? I in the y-axis, what is the corresponding x-axis? I have, what is the character I have? I, for the character I in the y-axis, what is the corresponding character I have in the x-axis? Hash. For I, what is the character I have? Hash. That means for I have to delete it. You put a star and that I in my input string is deleted in my output string. Next come here. For E, next N in my y-axis. What is a which one I have circled? This 3. Corresponding, what is an x-axis I have? What character I have? N in my y-axis. What is a box I have circled? What is the box I have circled? What is the value I have circled?
3.
3. So for that 3, what is a corresponding x-axis character?
E.
E. See here. So N I am writing, this is y-axis. For N in my y-axis, I have corresponding E in my x-axis. Okay, next come here. T. For T, what is the value I have circled?
5.
5. What is the corresponding value in my x-axis? X. So T in my input string, it is equivalent to X in my output string. Next, please tell me fast. E, for E, move one after the other. E, which one I have circled?
E.
No, which one I have circled?
5.
5. 5. Corresponding, come down. Next axis, what is the character I have? E. So E is replaced by E in my output string. Next, come here. I have, what is the next, what is the circle I have circled?
6.
6. But any character is there for 6?
No.
No character, because E is already done. So no character in y-axis is replaced by what character in x-axis?
C.
C. That's why C. No character in x-axis is replaced by C in. So no character in y-axis is replaced by C in x-axis. That is insertion happens here. There is no character in my input string, but I have inserted a character in my output string. Next, come here. Next, what is the next character? Next round. What is my next circle value?
N. For N, it is 8.
8. So N and its corresponding is?
U.
U. Next one, T and corresponding is?
T.
T. So N with U, T with T, I corresponding is?
I.
O corresponding is?
O.
N corresponding
with N.
N. So now I got this. So from this, how I can conclude? I can conclude how many insertion, how many deletion and how many substitution happens. Can you tell me? How many insertions, how many result of backtracking, how many inserting operation, how many delete operation and how many substitution operation happen to convert intention to execution? How many, any substitution is there?
Yes, ma'am. 3
How
substitution.
many substitution? Which are all the 3 substitution? Can you tell me?
N2E, T2X,
N2E,
and
T2X and
N2U.
N2U. So each, so 3 substitution. Any deletion is there?
I, ma'am.
I2
I
hash.
is del, I is to hash. And any insertion is there?
C.
C, that is start to C. So how many insertion, how many substitution, and how many deletions? 1 deletion, 1 insertion, and 3 substitution. If substitution cost is 2, insertion cost is 1, and deletion cost is 1, what is the total cost?
8, ma'am.
8. That is the total cost. So we need 3 substitutions, 1 insertion and 1 deletion to convert the input string intention to execution. So that's why initially we have seen, I told you, you wait after doing it in a form of a table, you will be understanding better. So initial I told like this, beginning, when I am explaining you. So here one deletion, you have to write like this, deletion, here down substitution, here down substitution, here insertion, here substitution. So 3 substitutions, 1 insertion and 1 deletion. The cost, generally the cost for insertion and deletion is 1 and substitution is 2. If something is mentioned in the problem, accordingly you can use it, otherwise default cost is this. So the distance to convert or the cost to convert from intention to execution is 8. This is the slide which I have showed you initially, and I told you after solving the problem, you will be understanding better how this deletion comes here, how substitution comes here. Now is it fine? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you try with enum and medium? Next input string. What is in the y-axis? What is the string I have given, Priya? X-axis, what string you have taken in the enum and medium?
In the y, to the y we have taken medium, and to the x-axis we have taken enum, ma'am.
Okay, those who are trying now, in y-axis you take the input string as medium, and in x-axis you take enum, E-N-U-M, and y-axis you take medium, make a table and find the value and backtrack it. Finally, see, everything carries marks. If it is for 10 marks, this problem, they are asking for 10 marks. This table will carry 5 marks. Back this table with proper values. This table alone with proper values like this, filling this table will have 5 marks. This backtracking you have to show properly. See, like this you have to show properly. Okay. See here backtracking how they have shown like this. This comes from this. This 8 belongs to this, this and this, but it is coming from here. That's why highlighting this box is highlighted means this 8 comes from here. Like that you have to highlight all this. This carries 2 marks. Backtracking how you are doing it properly with an arrow mark, circling it or highlighting 2 marks. And this table you write this and is corresponding what is converted. This will carries 1 mark. And how many deletion, substitution down you have to write here deletion, here substitution, here that carries 1 marks. Total cost will carries 1 marks. Each and every part in your problem carries marks. If you miss that, directly if you write the answer, you will not get the marks. So step by, when a problem is asked, you have to do step by step, elaborately. Okay. Or if you want to show for first 2 boxes, you can show for I and E how the calculation is done for this values also. And later on you can fill the table. Simply if you fill the table, whether you have done or you have copied, how come I know? You take randomly some values I and I. And this box I got some 8. How you got it? So the D of I minus 1 j, I j minus 1 and I minus 1 j minus 1. These are the values. So plus 1 plus 1 plus 2. So among these 3 minimum is this. Like that 1 or 2 boxes randomly you take and explain and show. For that carries marks. Simply you fill the table, marks 5 marks will not be given. 1 or 2 explanation for 1 or 2 boxes how you arrived at that value you have to take and you have to show randomly some boxes.
Ma'am?
Don't think that ma'am I have filled the table so marks will be given. Okay. Tell me ma'am.
Ma'am, the medium's enum's answer was 4 only, ma'am, as Vishnu told. It's just 1 substitution and 2 deletions. My backtracking went wrong, ma'am, in the last part.
Okay. I don't know. I am not having the answers. If simply randomly I have given some questions to you, which I have taken from last year question papers and all. Vishnu, what you are getting, Vishnu?
Ma'am, I got 4, ma'am. Like
How
one
many substitution? One substitution.
Two deletions.
substitution, two
Two
deletion.
deletion. Any other person has completed?
Yes, ma'am. Same got same.
So we get
4, ma'am.
Abhishek, what you are getting, Abhishek?
4, ma'am.
4, huh?
Yes, ma'am. 2 deletions and 1
Okay.
substitution.
Okay. Then that will be correct. I am not having only that. I have an answer. Remaining randomly, I have given something. Okay, so that all substitution insertion should happen in the same word. So I have taken an example to show wherein I have a deletion, I have a substitution, and I have an insertion. Later on, you cannot tell how insertion will happen. We don't know like that. That's why I have taken a long word so that all 3 operations will appear in that word. So if you are done with the other one, I have given no mother and rather. What is the output you are getting? 2 substitutions only.
yes, ma'am.
Mother to rather, ma'am. Or rather to mother.
Mother to rather. Which one you are taken, students? On y-axis is a mother and x-axis is a rather. Correct word should be in an x-axis and the wrong word should be in a y-axis. So mother to rather, what you are getting, Vishnu? 2 substitutions are.
Yes, ma'am. 2 substitutions. 4 as
Okay.
the
This and all by seeing you can say that M can be replaced by this can be, but in intention and the execution we cannot tell. So you have to do properly. If you tell also this deletion substitution, but based on this you will be getting a different answer. So total cost for mother and rather is 4, right? For the other one enum and the medium is 5. So those who are completed you can leave. Those who are not completed you can complete now. Another 10 more minutes are there. Please at least one problem, enum and medium at least. Mother and rather for your practice only I am giving. I have explained you once again also.
Ma'am, enum and medium is 4, ma'am, not 5. 4.
That's why you told me enum and medium, 1 substitution and 2 deletions.
2 deletion. Yes, ma'am.
The other one mother and rather also 4 with 2 substitutions, right?
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yes.
actually, I also did medium and enum, but like the people who are getting 4, can they just explain what are they substituting and what are they deleting?
Can you tell me, or can anyone can share, or you cannot? Can Vishnu? Can you tell at least?
Ma'am, we will
Can
put
you-
in the chat, ma'am. Like,
Can you at the top for at the top will be what medium, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So M
Yes,
should be replaced by what down?
Star.
Star or
M is deleted.
star.
M is deleted.
M is deleted. So M to star. Second character
Same, easy.
Same.
Easy.
E to E. So M to star, E to E, D to
Star.
Deleted.
Star.
E is deleted. Star.
D to star. So M to star, E to star, E to E, D to star, I to
N.
N. Substitution.
N. I to N substitution. M E D I. U to
U only.
You only.
U to U. M to M.
M.
So 1 substitution, 2 deletion, right? Is that fine, Sachin?
Yes,
Write
ma'am.
that answer and check whether you are getting it or not. M to star, E to E, D to star, N to I to N, U to U, M to M.
Yes, ma'am. Got it. Yes.
What is the final D of N comma N you are getting, students, for enum and medium? The final value, even if that you make a wrong, that is also a problem.
4.
4.
4.
4. Okay. So please make a note, students. D of N comma N, then final value you are getting as 4. If you make a mistake somewhere down, you will not arrive at 4 there. Then even if you backtrack, everything will be wrong.
Ma'am, can there be a case like if we have diagonal element and there is some other number which is like left part or bottom part which is also minimum, so we will take diagonal. Can there be a case like diagonal is 4, let's say, and after doing +1 +1, left and bottom are 3 3?
Like that, I didn't see any cases. I will check and let you know.
Yes,
Usually
ma'am.
all 3 will be same or diagonal will be minimum.
Ma'am, actually, I don't know. I'm not able to think like whether that case will come or not, and how to
That's why
originate
I am
that.
also not thinking that usually diagonal will be minimum. I'll check and let you know. Okay. If you find any cases like that, you tell me which input word you are getting like that. Then we'll solve. check it out.
Yes.
I'll also check it and tell it to you. Okay.
So in
Usually
that
diagonal.
yes, in that case,
In
left
that-
and bottom, which we have to take.
Any left and any one we have to take it, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Even if you take any one, it will come properly. I think either left or right.
Ma'am, in intention we got ma'am like that.
Intention, how you got like that? No.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
diagonal
we
is 10
already
ma'am.
solved such problems, ma'am.
What?
Okay. Can I speak, ma'am?
Tell me, anyone can tell.
Yes,
Somebody, 1
ma'am.
minute for Priya. Somebody is telling that intention and execution you got like that. Somebody is telling in intention and execution we didn't face a problem like that. Is that a problem occurs, Vishnu, in intention execution, wherein the diagonal is high and left and down is same value? Is that case occurs in intention?
No ma'am, no
I
ma'am. Sorry ma'am, I had it wrong.
Even I didn't get anything like that.
Varun, please check Varun. I think it is wrong. Then you would have went wrong somewhere.
Yes ma'am, I went wrong ma'am. I'm checking.
Okay, you checking. Now Priya, can you tell me what is your problem?
No, ma'am. Table filling is having no confusions, no, ma'am. If we are getting minimum from any direction, we should just take. If the what Sachin told was the left side and to the downside, it was a 3, and then to the diagonal, it was a 4. If the character is same, it will be a 4, no, ma'am. In the
Yeah. That's
will
why
be
like
the-
that it will not come, I guess.
putting 3 4 only, but while backtracking, since diagonal has the most priority, we'll be just backtracking to the diagonal, like
Yeah.
we already solved such we like in the pick your chewing only, they were putting arrows from all the 3 directions.
Yeah, all three you have to compare, and among this minimum you have to take. All 3 are minimum. In that, first preference is given to diagonal.
While backtracking, we have to, because anyway everything is same now, ma'am. While backtracking only, we have to choose which direction to go, and in that, obviously, we have to take the diagonal, give the diagonal
elements. Yeah. That's why see even see that number how you have arrived. So if you take one box, that box can be arrived either the previous left box or down box or diagonal box. Any 3 of these cases only you have arrived that box, right? If you take any of the boxes, you have arrived either di comma n minus j minus 1 or di minus 1 comma j plus 1 or di minus 1 j minus 1 plus 0 or plus 2. Yes or no? Each box. Whether you can able to hear me, students? Suddenly.
Yes, ma'am, you are audible.
Yes. Suddenly, please respond. Otherwise, I am because of already I am getting bad network issue messages. So I was scared whether it is disconnected or something. See, again I am getting that message. Okay, students, if you are completed, you can leave. If you are not completed, another 2-3 minutes, you please complete. Next class, I am not going to give time. You will be getting problems like this. Okay. So I told you how to do the problems also. Table, simply if you fill the values, they will not give marks. When you are filling, I am not expecting you to explain for all the boxes, at least some boxes where different values, minimum values are there. There you can show something and you can say that I have for this I and I, this is the value I got it. Among these 3 minimum value I have taken like this. Some 2-3 values you can take and you can show the explanation, and backtracking you can show properly. Then how that you can write the input for each character, the input what's the character for the output you have to write properly, and down you have to write what operation you have to write. Then you calculate the cost, then you write the final cost. Everything should be clearly mentioned. Simply if you're writing the answer, we will not give marks because we have to justify one answer with the other answer. I want to know whether you are really done in your copy. So I want a proper explanation for each and everything what you have done there. Okay, for backtracking also 1 or 2 you can explain this 8, I and I 8, I got it from this previous left side this value, down I this value, and diagonal this value. Among these 3 the minimum is this, so I am backtracking this. Like that you can give an explanation. Okay. So can we have this next week, right?
For medium in enum,
others can leave. I don't know, something they told, no, medium and enum 4 they told. At the end d of n comma n, they are getting 4 as an output, and the total cost is 4. They told 2 deletion and 1 substitution.
No ma'am, is that same for enum medium or medium or enum?
Enum, I told medium in my y-axis and enum in my x-axis. Actual word is enum. I have typed as medium.
Ma'am, while taking medium in y-axis and enum in x-axis, what is the cost, ma'am?
That is 4. 1 substitution and 2 deletion.
I'm getting 8.
Somebody, Vishnu, can you post your, take a pic and post the answers in the, this one, Teams.
Yes, ma'am. In chat, I'll put it.
And chat both the answers. Okay, medium and enum and the other one also. What is the mother and rather? So that people, you can check there what mistakes you have made. You can check their students. Vikash. And if you have doubts, you can ask me next class. Okay, because already it is time. I don't want to take the other class time. Okay, please leave students. Okay, others can leave. Vishnu, you please put it in the chat. Okay, others you can check it in the chat window. Okay, both the answers. Others, please leave. Don't tell ma'am has extended. Please leave.
Ma'am.
Tell me.
Ma'am, if diagonal element is like